Educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good afternoon, Grummy. Today is Tuesday, July the 14th. And I'm sweating my off. Oh, good God, I'm going to have to throw some damn pH up into that shit. I don't know if you can see that. I'm getting blinded. 2.81. I'll throw some shit in there. Whew. I didn't feed none of my veggies last time I fed my plants, so I'm going to give them a feed. This kid is loaded with jalapenos. I'm going to IPM everything tonight. IPM the shit out of them. I'm going to go with the Crop Defender 3. Got blooms coming on my on my okra. That branch is getting way down, baby. I picked oh my God, I don't know how many. I killed a easy dozen or more. There's one right there I missed. Little son of a bitch. I killed an easy dozen or more just a little while ago off my fucking Brussels sprouts. I'm going to hit them with the Crop Defender 3 good. Still haven't rounded up anything for the goddamn tomato plants, so I'm going to rip them out too. I'm going to get me some new squash plants. I think I'm just going to rip these damn tomato plants out. They haven't done shit. This little autoflower, she looks good and healthy, but damn, man, she got a little age on her to be such a tiny little critter. Oh, I can tell my bell peppers need a good feed, but the bell peppers are doing all right. I need to whack some off for sure. Of course, ain't nothing in there. All my squash are history. Between the damn stink bugs and the fucking aphids, they destroyed them. Man, these things just don't do nothing. Couple of little tomatoes, man. They ain't hit on shit. I finished that one off yesterday. Ripped it out. Yeah, they need a feed. They need a feed. I ain't even gonna go over to those stuff. I'm gonna feed all the veggies. I yanked out what I could yank out. I just gave her a good twist and yanked her out. I'm gonna hose this down. I'm gonna give them a fighting chance. I'm gonna hose that down and fill the holes with a seed starter. I'm gonna put some mycos in first. I brought my bag of mycos out too. They're over there. And I got 5 of my crosses and Orr's Crazy Girl. I'm gonna pop them all. Let the best man win. I'll probably leave 3 15-gallon pot. I'll pick the 3 best ones and rock with it. You'll probably see this one sitting over on the well house. I'll be back. Okie dokie. I'm going to be doing this in intervals, I do believe. Or I'm going to have a goddamn heat stroke. I ain't fooling. I'm just going to get this good and wet. Keep the little walls from falling in on me. Throw some mycos down in there. Get some seed starter in there. Wet it down. Pop some beans. And we'll carry on with the show. A lot to do. I gotta run to the hardware store and get some worm casings for my ladies. I cow-magged them last night. I'm gonna give them some worm casings. My ladies ain't due for a feed until next Monday. Back in a flash. Remember, goddamn meltdown. Oh, shit. Almost forgot my micros. Back in a flash. I do that shit all the time. I really don't need to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. There's plenty of microbial life in this soil. There's plenty of mycelium already in it. I'm growing mushrooms at the bottom of the pot. I'm going to give it a little bit anyways. Why? Because I don't give a fuck. Alright, seed starter. Okay, dokie. Mr. Hummingbird is buzzing me away. 5, 6 autoflower beans. I ain't gonna remark shit. Don't give about this shit. This is all for shits and giggles. All for shits and giggles, really. I just don't like empty pots. It's about the matter of it. Don't like empty pots. You never know. You might get something out of it. You might get something. Ooh, I know it's smoking. I'm gonna get these damn veggies watered up. And I'm gonna go to the hardware store and give my ladies some worm castings before I water them up. It's smoking fucking hot out here, man. I'm surprised my old ass is still kicking after the fucking 2 ass whipping days I done had in a row. Woo. Have a fantastic fucking day. I appreciate you muchly. I might catch you out here this evening. Might fucking throw up alive, who knows? I'm out of here. Peace.